Well, hey there, Mission Control. I just got done getting the trees all set up with the new parts, kind of checked out the grow operation. Everything's looking really good, and received our next shipment here of stuff that we ordered. If you're not from the United States, maybe if you are from the United States and you're not from the Pacific Northwest, you may not know about these. These are Walla Walla Sweet Onions. Walla Walla is actually a town in Washington State. And these onions are famous. They are so sweet, delicious. I mean, make like the best onion rings on the planet. Great on hamburgers, just really, really flavorful, not overpowering. So I ordered quite a few of these, and we're gonna get them in the bed here. So I'm gonna jump in and get started with that. Okay, got those all laid out. Now I gotta dig them. Now, with the lava rock, it actually moves pretty easy. So like with the potatoes that are actually growing, I think they might, as root vegetables, I think they might have enough to push the stuff out of the way, the rock out of the way. And I say that because we've had it where we had carrots in version 1. They used to be on a bed that was up behind you, up high, and the carrot actually grew and pushed the rock out of the way. So it came out like a normal carrot. So I think these will work. That lava rock is so light. We'll just have to see. All right, well, there's a whole bed of onions. Water just turned on. I got the timer set. Bring the water up, get these roots nice and wet. Pretty happy. This is pretty exciting, seeing all this stuff come in. Very exciting. So I have this opportunity to come in here and kind of get some of these beds a little more level. I'm gonna do that tonight. There we go, got a level on that. Pretty darn level, but because they bow a little bit, you got to support it all the way across. There we go. So basically there's 3 on here, so you support the middle and you support the ends. Easy squeezy. Reach. Go. Needs to come up, but not too much. That's the problem with all this. It's tricky. Tricky little thing. It's looking pretty darn good there. According to the bubble thing, it's bubblicious. That's definitely not bubblicious. That's perfect. I like perfect. Ooh, that had a big bow on it. Tricky. Tricky. There we go. It is now level. That's it. Go in there. Oops, too high, just by a little. Oh, that's like spot on. Just needs a little one right under the edge here. Not too much. Yeah. Whoa, too much still. This one's a little itty bitty teeny one. Whoa. Go. All right, there we go. I think that's going to be it for tonight. Got the onions in, got this bed leveled. So this lane is now fully level. It always messes with my eyes though. Level says it's level, so we're going to go with what the level says. A good night's worth of work. I still got some other things I'm going to kind of doink on here. That's about it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Getting those onions in is way cool. And we got lots of sprouts going here that are almost ready to be transplanted over. So I think by the end of this week, there's a really good chance we could have almost everything in the ground for the Real Martian Challenge. And I think lettuces look like they're going to be doing all right. Beans are growing. Fruit trees are growing. Everything's basically growing. The real question is, will it mature in time so I actually have something to eat? So we'll see. That's part of what makes it a challenge, right? I'm still missing my kiwi and my strawberries. They haven't shipped yet, so I gotta see, gotta follow up on them and see where they're at. That's it for tonight. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. And don't forget, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and on Patreon. In the meantime, this is The Real Martian, out.